Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was up 0.3% today, had another all-time high close. I think that's the 40th one so far this year. Pretty crazy. And the focus really seems to be now on, supporting the job market with these rate cuts. I believe, with the inflation rate down to 2.6% on core PCE, like it has been the last few months, the Fed is feeling good enough about the trajectory of inflation and is now trying to focus on supporting the job market. And we did go from 3.4% unemployment at the lowest point up to 4.3%. And things have gotten a little better since then. But, there's a lot of jobs that are lost there. And so by cutting rates a half a point, like they did last week, kind of supports that. And maybe even supports the concept of a soft landing being in play still as we go through this process. And so now the debate's going to be, whether we're going to have, quarter point cuts or half point cuts. And the market right now is 50-50 between a half point cut on the next meeting, November 7th, or a quarter point cut. And a lot of the Fed governors were out today. The blackout period's over. And so they were talking, and all of them were talking about doing additional rate cuts. Some debate about, how much, obviously, as you would expect. But even some of the, Fed governors who generally are kind of more hawkish, like to keep interest rates up longer. We're still talking about lowering rates, maybe another half a point in total for the year. I wouldn't be surprised to see a couple core point, cuts happen before the end of the year, end up with a 1% cut altogether. But it kind of depends on what does happen with the jobs reports that are going to come out between now and November 7th. So, we have some time to be able to see how this is going to play out. So good day for the market, good day to be an investor. We're seeing, some strong results out of all the different sectors. Actually, matter of fact, the equal weight S&P 500, which doesn't weight it by size of company, just says every company gets the same weight, is had another record day today also. So you're seeing some breadth come into the market, and money. And I've talked about this on the show. The money's kind of moving around a little bit haphazardly, but it's going to all kinds of different areas that haven't done as well as the big seven tech stocks. And so those are starting to, form a little bit of a catch up. And I think that's a really healthy thing for the market. So it looks pretty good. And the bond market's doing pretty well too in this environment, as you'd expect, with interest rates coming down. So look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow. We will talk to you then. Thank you.